Are your sum formulas giving you the wrong totals every time you filter your data? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you the subtotal function. Here is the problem. Most people use the sum function at the bottom of their data, but when they apply a filter to see only certain rows, sum keeps in. Here we have a sales table with regions and revenue values. First, click on the cell where you want your total, in this case cell B6 at the bottom. Now type equals subtotal. Let me break this formula down so it really sticks. The number 9 tells subtotal to perform a sum operation. You can use other numbers like 1 for average or 2 for count. Now watch what happens when we filter the table to show only the north and east regions. The subtotal formula instantly updates to show only 27,000. You just learned how to use the subtotal function to get accurate totals that dynamically update whenever you filter your Excel data.